Hi everybody, Joe Malarkey here with a Secure CRC announcement. Secure CRC is happy to announce that we're now offering our executive white glove security training as a virtual workshop. The same finance-focused training that we provide with a live on-site instructor is now available with a live virtual instructor. We know that time, scheduling, and travel are sometimes inconvenient, and we understand that. While there's no substitute for an on-site instructor, a virtual instructor is the next best thing. Your executive audience will be able to interact with our CISSP certified instructor over the internet from the convenience of your office. Our training focuses on finance management because every day cyber criminals are fooling the smart people that hold the keys to your company into making easy mistakes that technology simply cannot prevent. Criminals are outright stealing your money, and they're stealing a lot of it. They can hold your data hostage with ransomware. They can even use social engineering techniques to convincingly impersonate financial or C-suite decision makers with the goal of committing wire fraud. Secure CRC developed our executive security program based on actual real-world scenarios. Our training maps the anatomy of social engineering attacks with an emphasis on the play-by-play actions that the criminals use to exploit vulnerabilities. The program has been developed with a focus on C-suite executives and key financial personnel, and it provides proven techniques that can significantly reduce the risk of a financially jeopardizing event. Our standard engagement is 1 hour with a live virtual security instructor, including a question and answer period. All of our instructors are CISSP certified with a minimum 10 years experience in security and IT training. I'm Joe Malarkey with Secure CRC. Let us help keep you safe. Not virtually, but in reality.